In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then click on lock screen, tap on screen lock and tap on the best locking method for you, PIN, password or pattern. Then create it, choose continue and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Following that, click on one of those options. Tap on the switcher at the top or select notifications to show to manage lock screen notifications however you want to. Then select done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!